Hey, I'm Ash, and in this video today I'm going to be showing you how to install these color changing fogs from Autobeam. They are the H11 fitment ones. This is for a Ford Fiesta Mark 7 facelift or the Ford Fiesta Mark 7 Fiesta ST. I'm pretty sure they're going to be the same and they should be the same fitment fog lights, but if you're unsure you can always go to the Autobeam website, click on your car make, click on the model. I'm going to be clicking on Z-Tech S or the Mark 7 just normal Fiesta because that's what I've got, but if you've got the ST then obviously click on the ST, and then you can scroll down through all the products that are available for your car. As you can see, there's lots of products, so go check them out. Yeah, they've got some good stuff on there. As you see, for my car it's the H11 fog light bulb, but as you scroll down there's lots more, and the correct fog color changing fogs will be on there as well. So first things first, you're going to want to unscrew and take out both of the headlights. They're fairly easy to do. Just a few screws, and then taking out the electrical wires, which are just clipped in, so you can push them out quite easily. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So this bit a lot of you probably won't have to do. Because I've modded my Fiesta, I have an ITG induction, and that's going to be in the way, so I'm going to have to go ahead and take that out. But as I said, a lot of you probably won't have this problem. A lot of you will have just a standard air box in the hole sort of next to it, and you won't have to fill about with that at all. Right, so this is a normal fog light bulb. Basically, to get it in and get it out, you just push and turn, and that's it. That'll be in, and then to take it out you just turn it and pull it out. It's not difficult, but you do have to get down the sides of the bumper, so you got to like squeeze your hand down there. It's a little bit fiddly, but it's not impossible. Basically it just slots into that hole, and you turn it, and it'll be the same with these fog lights. Right, so I've plugged these color changing fogs in, but I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove a fog light and plug it back in quickly. So you've just got to reach down the side of the car. This is the easiest side to get to. Then you'll be able to feel where the light is, and then you just turn it and pull it out, and it really is as easy as that. So this is what the color changing fog looks like. It's just an LED bulb. And then you've got cables that run to a connector in the white box. Then you've got the power source from the white box that plugs into the fog light connector. There's only one of these to plug into. You'll find these connectors on both sides, but you only need to plug it in on one side, and that runs to this box, which is the Wi-Fi box. And I'm not sure how waterproof it is, but I've cable tied it here, and this will be underneath the headlight, so I'm hoping that that'll be good enough. Right, so as you can see, I've actually moved the box from where it was. I just didn't like it there, and I've plugged it in over the other side as well. One thing I have found is that with these cables, the way you want to plug it in with the connectors on the box, you want to plug as if the black wire was facing the blue wire, and the blue wire would be facing the black wire. If you plug it in that way, then the light should come on and it should work. And then I've managed to like stuff the box up in there, and yeah, hopefully that should be all right in that area. Obviously I've taken my air box out, so it won't be restricting any airflow really into the car, and the induction kit actually runs off static air, and that sits underneath the headlight anyway, so it won't really be making much of a difference to me. And let me show you what these look like when they're on and working. Right, so as soon as I turned on my car, turned on the lights and the fog lights, they've come up green. To change that, all you need to do is download the app onto your phone and then connect the lights, and then you should be able to just change it to any color that you want on a color wheel. And there's also a set of pre-done sequences, so it'll be like a 7-color changing strobe lights, 2-color changing, and you'll be able to change the speed and everything, put it to music, all sorts. They're pretty cool. So yeah, if you guys want to see more stuff like this, then give me a like, give me a comment, and subscribe to my channel, and there should be more coming soon. Thank you.